I'll be showing you how to recover all your deleted files on your PC. Whether you deleted a file or you delete it accidentally or you delete it purposely and you now record that you need the files back. This is how to recover your files. Just go to any browser of your choice. Once you go to any browser of your choice, just type in recover extension, Chrome extension. Or you can actually search for the recover app itself, recover exe. So you can just click on this to download it, recover free download. Once you download it, uh, you can now search for it in your search bar. Once you've downloaded it and installed it, just search for it here, recover, then you open it. So what this app definitely do is it is going to recover all your files that you lost or deleted back for you. As you can see here, welcome to Recover Wizard. This wizard will help you recover your files, your deleted files. Just answer a few simple questions and recover does the rest. Then let's say next. Then this is actually where you are going to pick anything you want to recover. Let's say I want to recover documents. Now let me click on document and press next. Uh, I'm not sure, search everywhere on this PC or you can actually specify also here to search for the ones you actually want, and you click on next. Then you can actually click on deep scan and start. So it's going to take a period of some time depending on the size of the volume of your hard disk and the size of the file you are trying to recover. It's going to take a lot of time. As you can see, estimated time is 50 minutes and it's counting downward. So let's wait till it gets to the final destination and we can actually choose which files we want to recover. Let's wait and see the magic happens. So the estimated time remaining is 1 minute for it to be done with the recovery. So once it is actually done with the recovery stage, it is going to take you to a page like this. Just click on the file you want to recover and just press recover here. So once you press recover here, just choose where you want to recover the file. Just choose any part you want to recover the file and click OK. So the file is being recovered. So that's how to recover files on your PC. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.